healthy. I am the health guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together.
Guardian, what should I eat?
Let me check it out. According to your condition, fruit and vegetables are recommended. Lots of fruit and vegetables help you keep oral health. Vegetable soup. Tomato. Potato. Carrot. Eating more carrots can make your eyes brighter. Slide to cut the ingredients. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Tomato is very healthy food. Take the tomatoes out. Slide to cut the ingredients. Let's see. What should we add to the pot? More fresh vegetables will freshen your breath.